Hello everybody. Today we are going to see about Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack GGT Reagent Kit. Yeah, you can see this is the top view of the kit. You can see the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack, and I am just going to show you the side view of the kit. This is the side view. Here also you can find the brand name Erba Mannheim Excel System Pack, and over here you can find the code number. Code number is 121019, and the reagent kit name is GGT. GGT means Gama Glutamyl transferase enzyme. This enzyme is used as a biomarker to test the liver profiling test. This is basically released from gallbladder in liver. Yeah, the pack size of the reagent kit is 2 into 44 ml of reagent 1, and reagent 2 is 2 into 11 ml. Yeah, over here you can find the kit content details. This kit consists of reagent 1 GGT reagent 2 into 44 ml, and reagent 2 GGT reagent 2 into 11 ml. Yeah, you can see that this kit has a shelf life of 2 years. Yeah, this is a C certified IVD product. Yeah, at the bottom you can find the manufacturing details. Over here you can find the temperature control. The product should be maintained in 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. These are the content present inside in the kit. Yeah, this is the complete content present in the kit. Thank you.